Hi, my name is Natalie Williams. I'm a certified yoga teacher. In this session, we are going to do 5 poses for back pain. Go ahead and come onto your mat, onto all fours. If you'd like, you can keep your knees underneath your hips or a little bit closer, or if you want to open up the hips, they can be a little bit more out the knees. From here, we're going to come on down into child's pose, stacking your hands on top of each other if you'd like, and just coming on down. If you'd like to use a block, you can use a block, or you can stack your arms, or if you want to walk the arms out and release the head down all the way, you can. Try to just make sure you can feel that release. And take a couple of breaths here, in and out. This really helps with the lower back area. A few more breaths. Try to sink the hips back and really letting gravity take over. Here you can have different variations. You can bring your arms in front of you just like so. You can even bend your elbows and bring your hands together in prayer. Or if you prefer, you can bring your hands behind your back by your sides. Find what feels good to you. Then next, we're going to transition into tabletop for our next asana. Drop the chin, tilt the chin up, drop the belly down, shoulders back, bottom up into cow pose. This really opens up the vertebrae towards the ground, shoulders back. Then next, we're going to go into cat pose as you tuck the tailbone in, arch the back, and really separate the shoulder blades. Your chin is tucked in, your head is relaxed, your shoulder blades are pulled away from each other, and your navel is in and up. Transitioning between these two actually is very good for your back as it helps realign the spine and produces synovial fluid to help get your back warmed up. So go ahead and do a few back and forth. If you can, try to find your breath, work with it. Inhaling on the cow, exhaling on the cat. Then find the tabletop. Next, we're going to transition into bridge pose. So coming around here, onto your back, gently lowering down, knees underneath, knees on top of the heels, shoulders back, lifting your hips up off the ground, chin comes up. Right now we're strengthening the back and strengthening it as well. Holding it here. Make sure your chin is lifted so you're not kinking the neck. Into bridge pose. If you'd like to put a block underneath and hang out here, you can do so as well. But without the block, you're strengthening your lower back right here. Then gently coming down. From here, we're going to go ahead and bring one knee into your chest. If you can elongate that left leg down, go ahead and do so. If you want to bend your knee a little bit more and bring your nose towards it, you can. Or you can relax your head down and hold it here. And then we're going to switch. And same thing here, if you want to round over for a moment, you can. This with your chin tucked in and your forehead towards the knee, it helps stretch the back. Then gently come on down. And you can roll on up whenever you're ready. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you enjoyed the session. Make sure you always consult with your physician prior to engaging in any new exercise routine.